Flavor of the week. All week we are asking our cooks, our chefs, to share their current flavor crush, and yours is?
Mine is thyme. So I say current, but it's been like maybe 2 years, and I literally am obsessed.
Committed relationship?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
I keep this growing in my garden. So, and I want to encourage you guys to do that as well, okay? Some herbs are a little more finicky, cilantro will crisp, things like that. But thyme, along with rosemary, is a woody herb, and so if you plant it in the right place and you take care of it right, which is really not that hard, it will overlast through the winter, and so you'll always have it, and it'll just keep going. And really, this is the best way to make sure that you always have fresh flavors on hand. So you go outside, grab a couple sprigs, and it'll just keep going.
So thyme is
And
your
it adds some fresh flavors. But they have more than one variety of thyme. If you want to look at my cute little plants over here. So we have a regular thyme. They're very similar.
Okay.
But regular thyme here, and then this, grab a little pinch of this and kind of smell it. This is lemon thyme.
Oh my gosh.
And even if do you smell the citrus in there? So this would be the perfect thing to add to this because it gives you some citrus.
And depth of flavor.
And depth, look at you go, you're hired.
Oh, Lindsey, we love you. Thank you so much. All right, thyme. We'll be thinking of you and reaching for that more often, and hopefully growing our own.
You must.
When I grow up, when I get really brave, I'm going to take that on. I feel that. I feel that energy. LK Cooking, again, on Instagram and online. We'll link you from our website. Thank you so much for elevating and improving our lives.
I'm excited
with this delicious Alfredo.